How to turn on dark mode in Pinterest. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn your Pinterest into your dark mode. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you have to open your Pinterest app obviously, and then you can see this is basically the home page. At the bottom of the screen you can see these icons. From there you need to click on this profile icon on the extreme right. Just click on that and you're going to open up your profile. On your profile you can see on the upper right corner you can see a nutbot and along with this plus sign. Just go on and click on that and you're going to open your settings. When you open your settings, you're basically going to get a couple of options. From these options, what you need to do is you have to find account management, and it is on the third. For me it must be the same for you. Just go on and click on this account management, and here you can find you have an option of enable night mode. Try this dark theme for late night browsing. Just turn that on and you can see that your account will be converted into a dark mode, and it is now into dark mode, and you can basically go on and check it out. It looks really good if you're especially scrolling at night. If you're checking out Pinterest at night, it looks really aesthetic, it looks really good. So if you want to turn it off, just do the same thing. Go onto your profile, open your settings, or go onto account management, and here you can just basically turn it off and it's going to switch itself back to normal onto the light mode. So this was it for today's video guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care and bye bye.